Okay, this video right here is to show you how, when you buy the cartridge for your American Standard 2-handle, like I said, the description of this is going to be in your below. What you're going to do is, it seems that these come set up for hot water. I bought 2 of them and they both are set up for hot water. Okay, I've changed 2 of them over the years. And to change it to cold water, okay, you got to pull that little clip and move this little piece, and then you're good for cold water. Okay, so this, I'm going to show you how you do it. Okay, now I got it back together. You can see it's working properly, just like the other side. So you just got to move that little piece over. Okay, I hope I explained that good. Okay, I just got to put the screw back in. Put the screw back in. Let me explain it again, how I did it. Okay, with the old part. Okay, put that in. And we're just going to snap off. Use your straight stock screwdriver. I'm just going to snap that back in place. And that's it. We got her done. Okay, she's working great. She's not leaking. Okay, let's see if I can explain that. Let me close this drain to the little clip. I showed it on the other one. Maybe you saw it. There's a little clip right here, and all you do is just pop this little clip off. Okay, and this piece right here, that goes back and forth, this silver piece right here. That's the water, and it's all the way to this side. And if your faucets are opposite, you lift this up, you move it over, and then this piece will go up against this shoulder on this side. You see, it's against this shoulder over here. It's hard to get the light right. Okay, so you just swap that piece around. That's all you got to do, and that's how you reverse. Use the same one for cold and hot. Now I bought 2 of them. I changed this faucet before, and they seem to both be set for the cold. So you might only have to do that. Only have to change that little piece is when you do the hot. I'm sorry, they're both for the hot side. So you might have to just change that little piece for the cold side. Okay, I hope that helps someone. That's how we do it here. Repair our faucet and reverse, use the same one for the right and left.